Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Binance Referral ID. First, it's important to understand what a referral ID is and the benefits it offers, like bonuses and reduced trading fees. When creating a new Binance account, you'll have the opportunity to enter a referral ID during the registration process. This step is crucial for both you and the referrer to receive rewards. Make sure to look for the designated field to input the ID. If you already have a Binance account, finding your own referral ID is straightforward. Simply log into your account and navigate to the Referral Program section, usually found under your profile or a Referral tab. Here, you will find your unique referral ID and link. You can easily copy this ID to share with friends, family, or your audience, allowing them to benefit when they sign up. Sharing your referral ID is how you start earning rewards. You can share your unique link or code with friends, family, or on social media platforms. When someone signs up using your ID and trades, you can earn a percentage of their trading fees. Binance often offers a commission split, meaning both you and the person you refer can receive benefits, such as trading fee rebate vouchers up to $100. To maximize your referral earnings, actively promote your referral link across various social media platforms like X, Facebook, or Telegram. Clearly explain the advantages of using Binance to potential new users, highlighting its features and benefits. For an amazing upgrade to your home, consider the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's a fantastic way to keep your space spotless. Remember, your commission rates can increase significantly, potentially up to 50%, based on your referral performance. Check the description for a link to this product and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.